We're using some good old red worms. We're gonna get something with this worm. Look at that slab, y'all. We just had to hike for some water. Here's some pretty fish. But we're going to set up the grill. So let's do it. Alright, we're going to get these guys cleaned up now. Alright, now we're going to scale them. Work from the tail up. Here's our fish all cleaned up. Now we're going to get them seasoned up and ready for the grill. Alright, we got some Old Bay seasoning. Hot sauce. Throw that on the grill. Y'all can smell that cooking. It smells so good. It's hot. That grill is hot. Look at that. Catching fish from the river straight onto the grill into my belly. I'm a happy man.